Welcome to BlkMoney.com. Today's episode is about Loaf Wallet, a Litecoin wallet for iOS and Android devices. This is the only official Litecoin Foundation wallet and is a must for the Litecoin enthusiast. I've challenged myself to tip with Litecoin this year and Loaf Wallet made it easy. Today we'll be installing the wallet on iOS, making transactions, restoring and destroying the wallet completely. All links will be listed in the description, so let's get started. Let's go over to the App Store. Type Loaf Wallet in the search field. Click Get or the cloud icon to download the app. Let's open the app. Click on Create Wallet. Enter a 6-digit PIN number and then re-enter the same PIN to confirm. This PIN will be used to unlock the app and confirm outgoing transactions. This next step is very important. Get a piece of paper and write down the following sequence of words. Make sure to number them 1 through 12. Enter the 2 requested words and click Submit. If you use Touch ID on your iOS device, click Enable Touch ID. Tap the toggle switch to activate Touch ID for Loaf Wallet. This really helps out if you deal with a bunch of apps daily that require passwords. Now that the wallet is set up, let's buy some LTC. You can buy Litecoin directly through the app. The old way prior to this update was powered by Coinbase. It was clunky, time-consuming, and had unnecessary fees. Let's try buying the new way. Click Menu and then click Buy Litecoin. Now click the Simplex button. Enter the USD amount of Litecoin you wish to purchase. There's a $40 minimum. I'll play along and enter $55. Click Next. If you would like to keep going, click Buy Litecoin. You will then be prompted to enter billing information to complete the transactions, but for me, it's a no. The fees are $11.38 on a $55 digital purchase. I wanted to buy a small amount of Litecoin for this demo, but unfortunately these fees are more than I want to pay. So I'll be sending myself some Litecoin from another wallet. I'm going to back out of this and move on to receiving Litecoin. Click Receive to display your QR code. You can text or email your Litecoin address if you click on Share. Request an amount allows you to specify how much before you text or email your request. If you look to the left, you can see that I've scanned the QR code with another iOS device. Litecoin transactions are usually quicker than exchanges, bank wires, and electronic deposits. At 80%, these funds are available to spend. When you click on Send, we are given the option to paste the address or scan a QR code. Let's scan a QR code for the destination address. This could be any address or wallet as long as it's for Litecoin. A real Litecoin wallet, not Litecoin Cash. If this is the app's first scan, it will ask permission to use the device camera. Enter the amount in USD or LTC. Add a memo line if you wish and then click Send. Click Send. Then enter your PIN to authorize. We then get a visual confirmation stating that our transaction has been sent. The app also shows the current progress of the transaction. One of the cool features about Loaf Wallet is that if you erase the app on purpose or by accident, the wallet remains on the device until the next install. The only way to destroy the wallet is to enter your 12-word recovery phrase or paper key. This wallet was created for the purpose of this video, and it's foolish to share any recovery phrase or paper key with anyone. Important note, make sure you've emptied your wallet before you begin this process. With that being said, let's walk through destroying the wallet. Click on Menu, then Settings. Now click Start Recover Another Wallet. Enter your 12-word paper key. Click Done. Are you sure you want to delete this wallet? Click Wipe for yes. The wallet is now gone and you can create a new one. Accidents happen. Phones are lost, destroyed, or just plain die. If you find yourself in one of these situations and need to restore your wallet, you can do so as long as you have your paper key. This paper key can be stored on a physical piece of paper, a USB device like Safe Ledger, or another cold storage device. Click Recover the Wallet. Enter your 12-word paper key and click Done. Enter a 6-digit PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm. The PIN is set for your recovered wallet. The device must now sync transactions from the blockchain. When fully synced, your previous transactions will appear below. This section is for Jordan Kittle and anyone else curious about the Import Wallet feature. Let's go to Settings and click on Import Wallet. Then click Scan Private Key. When I scanned a QR code that I generated from my own private key, it didn't work and indicated so with red crop marks. I then scanned the private key QR code from my paper wallet with success. If you notice, the crop marks turned green and then presented this prompt showing the balance of the paper wallet. Now just click Import and wait a few seconds. You will now see the transaction processing. This will import the full balance but not the previous transactions. Remember, generate paper wallets offline on a local machine not connected to the network and only use each wallet once. This wraps up our Loaf Wallet tutorial. If you'd like to find out more about Loaf Wallet, check out loafwallet.org. And after that, check out litecoin-foundation.org to get the latest news on my favorite coin. Till next time, feel free to come back for more frugal finance advice. Peace.